would you agree that the Fujifilm camera remote app is a little bit disappointing? Well, it does what it does when it comes to stills, but for me, there was some functionality missing. Is that a word? And that was with the video mode. It would have been extra handy for me if for all these years it hadn't only been able to trigger a 720p file and also only record the onboard camera's mic. Well, I've just had a little play, just on the off chance, and it seems that some of that has been corrected. It appears that you can now use the app to trigger the recording and indeed change any of the modes in the recording: shutter speed, aperture, film simulation, white balance, ISO, exposure compensator is not on there, thought it was. And of course you've got that screen, and put that file into the computer and it comes out at 1080p. Now I am set up for 4K in this camera because I've been messing about with it and using it in some intros because I feel it might give me a little bit of flexibility when it comes to editing, even though I don't do that much editing. But anyway, it's just something I'm playing with. I've always wanted to use the app as a way of not having to deal with a monitor, a mirror, be confident about the focus on my face, and therefore use my Fujifilm cameras as a run and gun when I want to do a piece to camera for you guys, for myself, for the channel. I think I might be able to do it now. Now, the other problem was the audio. I've got my Rode Wireless Go hanging around here. I'm going to do something very annoying, which you shouldn't really do to a mic, but it's the one way that I can be 100% sure that the audio is coming from the camera. Well, that you can as well without using earbuds and listening to the sound quality. Rubbing a mic wouldn't pick up on the mic over there on the camera. And as annoying as it is, it tells me that this whole recording is doing what it's supposed to and recording to the card the audio from this, because before, bizarrely, it would bypass it and only use the camera's onboard mic. Very weird, but it appears to be working. Now, there are a few reasons that I've already mentioned, but I just think this is, I don't know about a deal breaker, but it's just that extra bit of capability that will make my Fuji gear extra useful. I don't have to worry about a flippy screen. I don't have to worry about carrying a monitor or anything like that when I travel, and I can be more productive. That's what it's all about, right? So I've got that right there. Of course, you can't change the settings during the recording, but I can stop, change to an annoying black and white filter, which actually I've been thinking about using a black and white filter for my mental health therapy video. I don't know. I'm not sure if it's going to be too cheesy, or I'm not sure if I can pull it off. I'm quite happy. It only takes a small thing to make me happy. But I just think these things, there's so much potential in there. Now the T3 has decent face detection, even with this not ideal for video XF 18mm. I mean, it looks fine, right? It's all right. And now with this app, I mean, it's all good, right? Anyway, I wanted to share that with you. I wanted to upload it to see how it looks for myself. Now I want to hear if there's anything that you want to see with the app. Maybe Fujifilm will pay attention. Maybe there's anything you want to see just in general with the app. I mean, I don't know. Would it be greedy to want it to trigger a 4K recording? Have I missed something in the Fujifilm blurb online talking about the app? And have you ever just randomly tested something that you know has never worked before and then all of a sudden it works? Anyway, thanks for watching.